Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine. So in today's video, I'm doing box braids using the rubber band method on short type 3 hair. Now I'm just showing you a quick preview of the tools and products that I am going to be using in today's video. I started off with clean, moisturized and blow dried hair. This is the Motown Tresses pre-stretched hair in color 1B. I'll leave some more information in the description box down below. So I went ahead and started 2 rows off camera because I wanted to get my practice in. This is my first time doing this method on short hair and I was having a bit of problems, I'm not gonna lie, but I pulled through in the end and I made it work in the end. So to begin with, I would recommend just going through the entire head, sectioning the hair, putting the gel, brushing it in and putting the elastic bands to begin with, and then going and starting the braids. I'm not attaching the elastic bands extremely tight because I am going to be using the crochet method to attach a piece of hair before I start braiding. This is a closer look of how I'm attaching the elastic band. Remember, you want the style to be secure but not tight to the point where it causes alopecia, hair loss, hair breakage, or where it can cause a headache. So as I said, go ahead and put the hair into small boxes to begin with. And now we're going to move on to the braiding part, and you're going to see what I mean when I said I had a bit of problems attaching the hair to begin with, because I think it's because 1, the hair was short, and 2, the jam was slippery. And I was using jam the whole way throughout her head to keep the hair sleek and neat. So I go ahead and attach a small piece of braiding hair in the middle using the crochet hook, and now I'm going ahead to braid as normal. And this is an effective method for those who have super short hair, who still want to wear box braids and still want to grow out their natural hair whilst it's short. So I'll put the name of the person down below who inspired me to do this video and to give this method a try. That's us halfway through, more than halfway through in fact. Now I'm going to show you a closer look at the front and how I attach the braids. So to begin, I'm just adding some jam to the ends of her hair, and this is to prevent the hair from poking out of the braids. Once I start braiding, I'm going in with the crochet needle, pulling through a small piece of braiding hair, and that's just going to act as an anchor. And now I'm going in with the regular braiding method to attach the braids, and this is how you can securely do single plaits, aka box braids, on really short hair. And prior to attaching the braiding hair with the crochet needle, I did pull the elastic band up a bit so that it's not too tight on her scalp, and this helps to prevent with future hair loss or breakage. This is a style that can last anywhere from 1 to 2 months, depending on how well the client takes care of their hair. And it's a style that definitely helps your natural hair grow or your relaxed hair grow if you're looking for a protective style that works. So these are my end results, guys. I did dip the hair in hot water, trim away any flyaways, and I added some mousse, some oil to her scalp, and some hair jewellery. I tied the hair down and let her sit under the hooded dryer for about 20 minutes. And that's how you finish off your braids. She wanted to keep the hair straight. She didn't want any strings or anything like that. Does it hurt?
No.
And as you heard, my braiding is not tight, so she was able to wear a bun on the same day. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.